Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing Alter Ego by Private Society. Ooh. Okay, so first of all, here's the inside of the palette. If you are new to my channel, my palette reviews consist of me trying as many eyeshadows as possible on my eyeballs just to see how I feel about the formula, because you know, swatching feels different than actually putting it on your face. But I'm going to go ahead and swatch and I'll be right back. Okay, so those are the colors swatched. They are very, very pretty. So you've got 6 mattes and 6 shimmers, which is 12. Usually I can get 9 to 10 eyeshadows on my eyeballs, but with these being all shimmer right here, I don't think that I'm going to get much more than half of the eyeshadows on, just because it's really, really hard to layer up shimmers like that. But we're gonna try. So let's go ahead and get started. And the first shadow I am going to use is Athena. Alright, now we are going to go in, I think I'm going to go with Nova and Athia. Those are the two I'm going to go with. I think now I'm going to go in with Terra, this one right here, on the bottom, not the bottom, but the bottom half of my top eyelid. Okay, so now I think I'm going to go into the outer corner creases of my eyeballs with the Apollo color. I've gotten all the mattes except for Cali, and I'm going to do that for the bottom lash line, and then I'm going to go into my shimmers. Alright, now it's time to layer up some shimmers. I think okay, this is going to be the tricky part. Let me look at my hand real quick. I'm going to go in with Galaxia and Luna on the eyelids right here, these two colors. Okay, so now I'm going to use Electra and Aura on this part of the eyelid. Okay, so I'm going to go back into the bottom with Cosmos and Aphrodite. Did I do that backwards? Yeah. That's Cosmos, that's Aphrodite, and that's going to go onto the bottom eyelid area. Okay, so you can see the inner half of the bottom lash line, that was coated with the Aphrodite, the outer part, the Cosmos, and if you look real closely, it does differ like a shade, but it's really kind of hard to tell because, I mean, they're just very slightly different. Okay, so I did manage to use all the eyeshadows. Now we are going to move into eyeliner, and for bottom liner, I've got Nora by Autonomy, and then top liner, Private Society Leading Liner. liner is on. Now we're going to move into mascara, and I'm going with Bad Gal Bang by Benefits. Or Benefit, it's not, there's no S. Okay, eyeshadow is done. Let's put some lip on. I'm going to use Private Society Glazed. I think that might be a little too pink for what I want today. You know what? I'm just going to use a basic gloss. I'm going to be basic today with my lips. So I'm just going to use Ice Queen. So yes, I know I used a very basic gloss, but sometimes you don't need loud, and today I don't really feel like doing loud. So there is my finished look, and let's go ahead and talk about the palette. You guys already know I love their lips, so let's talk about this palette since this is the first time I've actually dipped into it. Now I did use every single one of these colors, which means I used all 12 on my eyes. Now these mattes, very, very pretty, very pigmented. They are very buildable. I felt like they're very smooth, and I think these, yep, these are also primer infused, so they will stay in place. Shimmers, very, very pretty, very, very nice. I mean, you can look at them and kind of see in my hand. The thing is, if you're going to use them, I would stick to one or two, because as you can see, the different colors of shimmer were kind of lost as I built them up with every one of them. But other than that, I think this is a really great palette and super awesome. And that's all I have to say about that. So if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.